Hello, this is Noreen Crone-Findlay from TottyTalksCrafts.com, and today I'm going to talk to you for a moment or so about how you can use the Lily Doll kit, which is available at Mirex.com on the Lily Doll page. So this is the Lily Doll just as she comes, freshly woven from the kit. Now, people have been asking about how they could make a little boy doll or a gender-neutral doll that would fit the Lily Doll clothes, and would I please make more gender-neutral clothing. So I have been designing gender-neutral clothing. The jeans pattern and the sweaters and things that are up already fit. This is the new knee-length spiffy shorts and the t-shirt that goes with the spiffy shorts. I'm just going to slip them off. This is Jamie, who is the little boy or gender neutral doll that is made from the same kit as the Lily Doll. And oh, here, I just need to show you the trick that I do with. Mostly I've been designing clothes that are cardigan based so that they're easier to get on and off, but the t-shirt is designed specifically that it's easy to pull up, or if you prefer you can pull it over the head, but personally I find it easier to slide it up and get his arms in that way. So anyhow, gender neutral. That any of the Lily Dolls and their friends and relations can fit this outfit. Now, I have made, I didn't bring them with me into the photo corner. Did I? I did. Here they are. So I've shown some of Lily Doll's other friends that you can make the skin tone any color you like. You can make the hair color any color you like. So this is Lally and Millie, and they've been joined by Jamie. So Jamie, in order to read as gender neutral or as a boy, although lots of little boys wear their hair long and flowing, I decided that for Jamie he would have just short hair. So his hair is made the same as Lily Doll's, except he doesn't have the two little buns. Now, one of our neighbors is a little 4-year-old who has worn glasses since he was a tiny infant, and he wears great big red glasses that are just delightful, and he looks at you over the top of the glasses, which kind of takes away from the usefulness of the glasses, but sure is cute. So in the pattern, the PDF that is on the Lily Doll page for the knee-length shorts and t-shirt, I gave the instructions for how to make the glasses, and the glasses are stitched in place with the hair, and you'll be able to order the if you want to do a ginger doll, you can get that yarn from Mirex.com and MirexLooms.com. And I just wanted to point out the differences. So of course the hair is the main difference, and I did Lily and Lally and Millie all, well, you can't see because they're wearing jeans, but they all have leotards on, or tights, and so I decided that Jamie would just have skin tone, and but he has the nice red running shoes too. I don't know if you noticed in the Olympics, most of the runners seem to be sporting fabulous orange runners, so I thought, well, Jamie can have red ones. So those are the main differences. Well, the only differences. Okay, they both have the white undies, and Jamie has skin tone legs. And if you want your little boy to have a skin tone that you feel is much more appropriate to you, then feel free to make your version of Jamie with whatever skin tone you would like. I know a doll maker who particularly loves making blue dolls, so she'll probably make hers in blue. But, okay, so skin tone, any shade you like. if you want Jamie to sort of come pre-dressed in jeans, you can weave his legs in the navy blue, and I would then weave the lower half of his body in the blue as well, or do his whole set of underwear in blue, or half blue, half green. You'd have to probably, depending on the warp color, if you wanted it to be slightly plaid, you could do, you know, the warp it in one color and weave the lower half in one color and the upper half in another. That's totally up to you. But I just wanted you to see how, oh, I forgot to put a heart on his chest. Oh, they all have hearts on their chests. Oh, except Millie has flowers. Anyhow, yeah, I did a video on how to embroider the flowers. So those are just a few of the variations that you can do to make the basic Lily doll be whatever. Her hair color is the same color as mine. You know, hair color, add glasses, hairdos, make the hair be the way you want the hair to be. Just a whole ton of variations to make the Lily doll kit be just that much more magical and wonderful for you. So happy weaving, and like I said, I'll post the link, but the link will be pardon me, sorry to cough into the camera. The link will be at tottytalkscrafts.com. So happy weaving, and talk to you soon. Bye for now. Oh, and if you're seeing this in late summer, early fall of 2024, there's going to be a weave along for the Lily dolls happening in the autumn. So that's coming up. Happy weaving.